Linux Mint versus Linux Lite. Which Linux distro is better? Choosing the right Linux distribution can completely change how you experience stability and ease without overwhelming complexity. Both Mint and Lite offer unique benefits for different users. Linux Mint and Linux Lite are popular lightweight Linux distributions designed for ease of use and performance. The core difference lies in their target users. Mint focuses on a polished, feature-rich experience, while Lite emphasizes simplicity and minimal resource usage. Linux Mint is a well-established Linux distribution based on Ubuntu, known for its user-friendly interface and robust functionality. It uses the Cinnamon desktop environment by default, offering a familiar layout similar to Windows, which eases the transition for new Linux users. Mint provides a comprehensive set of pre-installed software, including multimedia codecs, office tools, and system utilities, making it ready for everyday tasks straight away. Its Update Manager and Driver Manager simplify system maintenance and hardware compatibility. While Mint is lightweight compared to some other distros, it does require more system resources than ultralight alternatives. This makes it ideal for users with moderately powerful hardware who want a balance between performance and features. However, users with very old or low-spec machines might find Mint less responsive than more minimal distros. Overall, Linux Mint suits users seeking a stable, visually appealing, and versatile desktop environment without sacrificing usability. Linux Lite is a lightweight Linux distribution designed specifically for older or low-resource computers. Built on Ubuntu LTS, it offers long-term support and stability. The desktop environment is based on XFC, known for its speed and low memory footprint, making Linux Lite extremely efficient. It comes with essential software pre-installed, including a simple Office suite, web browser, and basic multimedia tools, focusing on simplicity rather than an extensive feature set. The Lite community emphasizes ease of use, providing helpful tools like Lite Welcome and Lite Software, which guide new users through setup and software installation. Its minimal resource requirements allow it to run smoothly on machines with limited RAM and older processors. However, Linux Lite sacrifices some polish and advanced features found in heavier distros. It's ideal for users who prioritize speed and simplicity, especially those upgrading aging hardware or newcomers seeking a straightforward Linux experience without unnecessary complexity. Linux Mint and Linux Lite both offer Ubuntu-based stability but serve different needs. Mint is better suited for users with mid-range hardware who want a full-featured desktop with multimedia support and a modern interface. It excels in providing a rich user experience with tools that simplify daily tasks. On the other hand, Linux Lite targets older or less powerful machines, focusing on speed and minimal resource consumption. Its lightweight XFCS top and streamlined software make it faster on limited hardware but less visually polished. Mint's system requirements are higher, so it may lag on very old PCs, while Lite sacrifices some features for performance. Choosing between them depends on your hardware and preference for features versus simplicity. Choose Linux Mint if you want a balanced, polished desktop with extensive features and you have a moderately capable computer for smooth performance. Options Summary versus Witchensystal Insights Smoothly and speed over advanced features. Both distros provide solid Ubuntu foundations, so your choice depends on your hardware and desired user experience.